Welcome back to Cloud Dev. If you are an Angular developer, especially if you are upgrading your projects from older version, this video is for you. We will be diving into a common issue that occurs when we are moving from Angular version 6 to the latest, that is 18. So images not loading. Sounds familiar, right? If you have been through this, you know how frustrating it can be. So after some analysis, I realized the issue was how the Angular handles assets folder. It has now changed. So now let's talk about the solution. After trying a few different approach, I found that base 64 encoding for images was the most quick workaround. So first I encoded my image into base 64 format, and then I used it in my image tag as a source. So I'll show you how it can be done. So as you can see, we have an Angular project created here just for this demo purpose. So we have it up and running. It is, so you can see this. um, Looks good, right? Now we will make those changes. We will firstly add an image tag, so let's do that. So let's go to the app component.html. So we don't need this style, we don't need this main class. Let's remove this, and we will simply add an image tag with src. Right now we'll leave it empty and alternative text just to make sure that it's coming in our project. We save this. So changes detected, page has been reloaded. So you can see now testing images. Now what we will do is we will, so for converting your image to base 64, you can use any online tool available. So for me, I am using this. So we will select this. So see, show code. Now we can copy it. So now our website should have the image. So you can see the image is now loaded. And so one more thing, like as you can see, right, this does not look readable and makes your code. So as you can see, this makes your code unreadable. Like since we are only using one image, it's still manageable, but when you are dealing with multiple images, this might be become unreadable. And so what we can do is we can create an JavaScript file, name it image data.js. Yeah, that is fine. I think I'll move this inside assets folder. Yeah, move it. So now we have it in assets folder. Yes. So here we will create an constant base 64 paste the data here. Make sure you don't have any extra spaces. Save it. Now let's go to the app component.ts. Here we will export, import the image variable base 64. If this, just to be sure, we will copy the name, paste it from we have this error. Let's see whether the allow.js property is set or not. Okay, it is not set, so we will have to set that. Let's say allow.js, we'll give it true, save it. I think here also we need to add the compiler option. Allow.js. So as you can see now the error is gone, so we will create a variable here. Save this. Now that we have created this variable, we are going to use this variable instead of the base 64 that we were using earlier here in the image. So let's just remove the src and now you use the variable and we'll save it. As you can see, like the image is still loading and it's working fine.